It's Christmas week. Merry Christmas, everyone. Yeah, 1 week to go, ain't it? I've got my apron on. This week I'm going to start winding down because I've got a couple of things to do and I've got the lad coming back Wednesday. So I'm just going to explain what I'm going to be doing this week. There's going to be videos all week. Today I'm going to be doing, well, today and tomorrow and Thursday I'm going to be doing some stuff I've bought from Iceland. Frozen stuff, and I'll just make it into something. I don't know, we'll see. Wednesday, the lad's back Wednesday about 2 or 3 o'clock. So I'm going to go live for Wednesday 2 or 3 hours until he comes back. Won't be no cooking, just be a chat. And then Friday will be a live stream, just to chat again, and that'll be it then until just after Christmas, and then I'm going to go live after Christmas, if you get what I mean. So, what we're going to do today? Well, we're going to be doing an Iceland luxury slow cooked shin of beef. Never had it before. It said online that it was a tenner, but I went to the shop and it was 12 quid. So I don't know whether they put the prices up for Christmas or it used to be a tenner and it's gone up. I ain't got a clue. You'll have to let me know if you've had it. It serves 5. Says 1 hour and 5 minutes from defrosted. This is frozen, so it's going to be from frozen. So this is going to be 1 hour 30. I don't know if you can see that's a bit blurred without my eyes, put my glasses on. Heat the oven, which I'm already doing. Empty the contents of the shin of beef into an oven-proof dish. Cover loosely with foil. Place near the middle of the shelf, 1 hour 30. Remove from the oven. Remove foil. Discard cooking juices. Rest for 10 minutes before shredding. With 2 forks, carefully pour over heated beef dripping gravy over the shin and serve. That's that one. But I've also got this beef gravy. That was Iceland. That was 2 quid. I've never had that before either. But it says luxury, so I thought, well, I'd try them together, if you get what I mean. Because I've done a couple of onions, because I'm going to put it in some onions, and I'm going to put it on a baguette. Why not, eh? So, ingredients, if you can see it, there they are. And the nutrition. So let's get it open up. So you can also do it in the microwave. Says there, microwave, which I didn't show you. Oh no, beef dripping sachet only. Microwave. Ah, I see. No, you can't do it in the microwave then. So oven from frozen 130 or defrosted 1 hour 5. Or even do it in your slow cooker, couldn't you? There's the dripping gravy. I bought that because I didn't know how big that would be, but it is quite big, isn't it, that dripping gravy? So that ain't too bad. But I'm sure I'll be able to do something with that gravy with it as well. And there is your shin of beef. You can't see much about it at the minute, can you? Look, all frozen. But we'll see as it cooks anyway. Right, so first things I want to do, I'm going to fry my onions up. I got this crock pot from Aldi because mine broke and I never replaced it, and I always could do with one, but I didn't want to spend a load of money. So I've got this one. Just put a drop of oil in there. And I'm going to fry the onions up. Then I'm going to get the beef in there. The shin. Break it up a little bit, then we'll get it in the oven. Right, I'm just trying to open this. Bit of a nightmare because it's frozen. Try and get all the packaging off it. Oh, what a pain that was. I've got it though. There it is. See all the ice, can't you, look on it? We can't really see what it's like at the minute, can we? Okay, I'm just going to get my onions in. We'll just start frying them up just for a couple of minutes. I say it's going to go in the oven, ain't it? So we'll just give it a couple of minutes, that's all. I'll turn that up a little bit. Yeah, shin of beef's it's only cheap, isn't it? I don't know what it'd be at the butcher's. I don't think all butchers do it. I mean, they might, I'm not sure. I might have to ask and do my own one day. Okay, now I'm going to get this shin of beef in, slow cooked. I bet it'd be nice in a slow cooker, this. I bet it would, you know. 4 or 5 hours in a slow cooker. I mean, it's not going to do a lot on there because it's all frozen, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is, after about half hour it's been in the oven, I'll give it a stir and a mess around and just see how it's getting on with being defrosted, that's all. Right, so I'll get it in the oven then. I'll put the lid on. I'm not putting a foil on. I'm going to put a lid on it. Okay guys, that beef shin has been in an hour and 50 minutes. What I've done is every half hour I've just basted it with juices and it smells really nice. So now I'm just going to prepare this beef dripping gravy. So you pull it in a bowl. I've left it out so it has defrosted a little bit. Let's get it in there like that. Just going to prepare it, that's all. It hasn't got to go in yet because the beef's got to come out in a minute, the beef shin, and it's got to rest for 10 minutes. Get as much of that out as I can. There we go. And that has just got to go in for 3 minutes, 90 seconds, and then stir and do again. So that's that prepared. Now let's have a look at the beef gravy. I've never had this beef gravy either, as I said. I'm going to do a chicken one and I also do a turkey one. So I don't know whether the turkey one's specially for Christmas or not. But this was £2. Let's take that off there. I've also left this out, so obviously they are frozen, but I've left it out, if you see. Where's the instructions on this? For best results, cook from frozen. Well, it's been out since the meat's been in, but it's still frozen-ish. Break tab, remove lid and loosely put back on. Microwave on a microwave, put on a microwavable plate, cook for 5 minutes, remove the lid, stir and then cook for 1.5 minutes. There's the ingredients, nutrition on it, and I say £2, so let's break the lid on this. It's not going to go in yet because, as I say, the meat's got to rest. Let's open it up. That's it there. You can't see a lot, can you, because it's still frozen. And put the lid loosely on that. And I'll get the meat out. Oh, let's get it out. Oh. Oh, it smells delicious, I know. It does, honestly. It smells really nice. Turn the oven off. Glass is all steamed up. Let's have a look. There it is. You see where I've been basting it? Look, I've just been basting it over. You probably can't see a lot at the minute. So what we're going to do, as it says, we've got to get rid of all them juices. That's a bit of a shame, isn't it? Well, I want to do what it says on the packet anyway. Just like get rid of the juices, doesn't it? Let me have a look at that again. 103, remove from the oven and discard the cooking juices. Rest for 10 minutes. Oh, you see that? Yeah, okay, we'll get that out then. See if we can grab it. Without it falling apart. It's going to fall apart before we even do anything, ain't it? I mean, it's going to be shredded anyway, but if you can get it out. It's looking nice. There's that. That's got to rest for 10 minutes anyway. I'll discard the juices and I'll get the other stuff in the microwave. And there's my dipping sauce. I'm just going to get the other one in. Right then. That smells nice as well, that does. We will give it a shred first. There's the juices, look. Could have done with them, made an oxo cube or something, couldn't you? See if this shreds. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yes. I haven't tasted anything yet, so. Ooh. Lovely and tender, look at that. It says serves 5. At first I didn't think it would, but there's loads here. There's absolutely loads. Let's get this in. Get all of it in there. Get in there. Give it a mix. Oh, I'm looking forward to this baguette now. I'm looking forward to this baguette. That's that done. Some onions there to put on the baguette as well. Okay, there's my baguette to cut in half. I put a bit of butter on and put them in the air fryer just to crunch up. Let's get some of this lovely beef on there now. See how we get on with it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yes. Some on the back one. I should have done more onions. I thought I had enough. I done one big onion. I could have done a few more. A bit more. There's that one like that. Look at that. Let's get a few onions on there. Like so. Oh, look at that thing then. And I'm just going to get my other gravy out of the microwave. Here's my gravy. I'm just going to pour it into a jug. It's hot. Loads of that there, look at that. Ooh. Yeah, I could have done with some more onions, but apart from that, I'm thinking, and it's smelling, delicious. Oh yeah, and then maybe a bit of gravy over the top here, look. Bit more gravy. There you go. I won't pour none over that, just in case. Alright, let's get up the table. Let's have a go. I'm looking forward to this now. Okay then. What do you think? Can't really see, can you? Let me pick one up. It smells delicious. That's already getting into it. What do you think, Bab? Got an eyeful.
I think it's really nice.
You think it's nice? Is it nice?
Excuse me, yeah.
I'm gonna.
Really nice.
Let me give you a closer look. It smells really nice, doesn't it? It smells really nice. Yeah, trying to open it so you can see. There it is. Look.
I like this gravy.
You like that gravy? There's that one. That one looks better, doesn't it?
Very tasty.
Look at that one. I'm gonna thumbnail that one. And that's used hers as a dip. She's not coming on today. She doesn't feel the best of you, but
no.
She used hers as a dip, ain't you?
Yeah. I don't like my bread soggy.
Do it. That's why I didn't do it like that, because I just thought.
But it's delicious. It smells amazing.
It smells really nice, doesn't
I
it?
really like that gravy.
You really like that gravy?
Wow, nice.
Nice and soggy bit at the bottom. That's why I air fried them, you see, get a bit of a crunch, and I knew with that gravy. It's better than any.
Yeah.
And get my mouth in it.
Definitely. I could eat that with a Sunday dinner.
That's nice, isn't it, that?
It's really nice.
Isn't it? So what it is,
Shin beef.
shin beef. So, I know you can get it from some butchers, shin beef. It's not very dear. I think it's probably about the same price. Make your own gravy, maybe put some veg in there or something. Well, I think that's delicious, don't you?
I think it's really nice. It's really tasty.
And it's good putting the onions in, weren't it? Just get that bit extra bit, doesn't it? And that gravy is nice. It's very beefy, isn't it? That gravy, isn't it?
That dripping.
No, the drippings. Oh, it might have been the dripping. That's beef, very beefy. And it's probably the dripping on there, isn't it?
That's very nice.
The dripping's in with the meat.
Oh.
That's a beef gravy.
Oh, right, sorry.
So I don't know which one is because I've poured it on now, haven't I? So.
No, I just thought it was very tasty. Very, like,
It's nice.
beef juices and stuff. It's really
Let me try a
tasty.
bit of that gravy on its own. So I can see.
You see what I mean?
Get a little spoon. Because I poured it all together, we can't really see what's what. Let me try a bit of this gravy just on its own.
You see what I mean if you have it.
It's the gravy that's really beefy. When you have it on a sandwich like that, you can taste the real beefiness, and that's with the gravy. Delicious. As I say, there'll be a few of these like this week, guys. Winding down to Christmas. Ain't we, Bab?
Yes, we are. I've got one more coming this week, and then that'll be it then till after Christmas.
I really like that.
That's delicious, that is.
Right. I was going to do some chips with it, good or whatever. You know, too much.
Too much. I like that. It smelled delicious all day as well.
Yeah, that's about delicious since it's been in there, hasn't it? It said online a tenner. I went to our shop and it was 12. So I don't know. Whether online is a little bit cheaper. Iceland, I'm not sure how it works.
Is it from Iceland?
From Iceland, yeah. From Iceland. Unless it's just they've put it up because it's Christmas, I don't know. I don't know. You'll have to let me know if you've had it. But as I say, I really like that, especially in a baguette like that. It's nice, isn't it? Give me up with some mashed potato if you wanted, couldn't you? But I think like that, it's bang on, isn't it?
Yeah,
As I say, I'm the old food guy. We're back tomorrow with another something similar Iceland thing. And as I said, like at the beginning of the video, I'm going to do Wednesday, I'm going to go live, only for a couple of hours because the lad's back. No cooking, just a chat. Thursday there'll be something else, and then Friday I'm going live, and that'll be it till Christmas.
You won't be coming back till later, so.
Yeah, well, I'll go live about 12:30, 1 o'clock. A couple of hours, he'll text us anyway when he's nearly back, when he say. So that's what we'll do. Anyway, that is delicious, I really like that.
That's really
Isn't it?
nice.
Really nice.
Really
I might go and get some shin beef after Christmas and do my own as well. Do you know what I mean? I think that'd be a good idea, wouldn't it?
I love that gravy. That's just so nice as well.
As I say, see you later. Bye-bye. Well, oh, I'm going to mark it a 10. Because I think that's, for what it is, would you mark it?
I'm going to mark it a 10.
You're going to mark it a 10. I'm going to mark it a 10 for what it is.
I'll mark it a 10.
For frozen food, isn't it?
It's very tasty.
And it's very tasty, yeah. See you later. Bye-bye. Well done, Iceland. I like that one. There's not much I like from Iceland, but that's a nice one, isn't it? As a frozen.
Nice,
and it smells like the house smells nice. See you later.